There are a couple different ways to make ravioli, and one of them is with the attachment that comes with the pasta machine. That's what we're going to demonstrate right now. One of the things that's important to know is that when you make ravioli, it's a filled pasta, and you don't want the filling to leak out, and so you're only going to roll your dough to a thickness of number two, and that would work really well. With your attachment comes this little rolling thing, and your ravioli can only be the distance of the two wheels. And so with your sheet of pasta that you have rolled out, we're going to cut off some excess so that this is the width that we end up with.
Save the leftovers for noodles. You take this and you split it in half, about. You let it sag in there, and you just roll it over the top. You put a little.
As you set your pasta sheet there, you're going to put a little bit of filling right across the center there.
And all you do is roll. There should be little raviolis popping out at the bottom.
Go ahead. Oh, we need more. More sauce. Cut off that end there that didn't turn out so good. Okay, now you can see the individual raviolis, and so we're going to take our fluted wheel and just go along the zigzag there and separate our raviolis. Since ravioli have a filling in it, you can't let them set out to dry, so we're going to cook them in boiling water right away.